Hi everyone, welcome to Trackplan. In this video, I'm going to talk about scheduling jobs with the job calendar. We're in the main calendar screen, which you can find from the main jobs menu. Make sure on the filters that it's showing all categories. To see an overall calendar, but you can choose also to filter it by sites, resources, status. You can also choose whether you'd like to see it by days, week, or months. You can also choose the calendar to show it by date, user, and resource or contractor. You can drag jobs around and change the duration, date, design user, If the job is completed, it would show a black frame around it, just like this one. When you choose to show it by user, this is a very nice and helpful feature for the help desk to manage and assign jobs. With this view, it's easier to assign the jobs to whenever it suits that user. If you click on the number, it takes you directly to the job. Another nice feature as well is also that pressing into this icon, you can export it to PDF to print it. When the calendar is showing by date, you have this option here on scheduled jobs. If you click it, the jobs with no expected date on them will show up. And you can select it and schedule it at your best convenience. This is a good feature to schedule the low priority jobs on your free days. Well, this would be all for now. I hope the video was useful and I hope you liked it. Bye, see you around.